Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to browse by language on Netflix. So first of all, open up your browser. Or before you open up your browser, double check if your Netflix app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it so you can catch up with the newest updates. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up my browser and then choose the language in the show in movies languages setting for profile that you are using, and tap or click tap or click save and visit netflix.com slash browse and slash subtitles, or netflix.com slash browse slash audio to browse and watch movies and TV shows by subtitle on an audio language. So basically you can change the language that much. There is an easier way. You can change the language of your browse by going to the search bar, and basically you're gonna be able right here to browse by languages, and you're gonna be able to select audio or video or whatever, and you can select the language of your of your country. And basically once you select the language, you're gonna be able to see a content related to your language. Arabic shows, English shows, UK and US and Canada, right? So basically that's how you do it. You go to the browser and browse by a language. You can browse by a subtitle, or you can browse by an audio. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you